Mr. Sarfira, I'm Khushboo. Ready to dive into this Prince2 adventure.
Ah, Khushboo. Welcome to my circus. Ready for a wild ride? Let's begin with the basics. Prince2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. It's all about structure.
Structure in a circus? Sounds ironic.
Indeed. But even the most chaotic show needs a plan. Let's start with continued business justification. Why are we doing this project? Every project must have a valid reason. If it doesn't, it's a waste of time and money.
So, it's like making sure every act has a purpose?
Exactly. Next, we have the 6 aspects: cost, timescales, quality, scope, risk, and benefits. Follow me. Meet our stars. Each represents a key aspect. Cost ensures we don't overspend. Timescales keep us on schedule.
And quality?
Ensures the show is top-notch. Scope defines what we include in the project. Risks, well,
We identify and manage potential problems before they become disasters. I see. And benefits?
the grand finale. What do we gain from this project? The Prince2 life cycle, starting up, initiating, directing, controlling, managing delivery, managing stage boundaries, and closing. Each stage has specific goals.
Like planning the circus from setup to the final act.
Precisely. Now, roles and responsibilities. Meet the project board, sponsor, senior user, and senior supplier. They provide resources, ensure the product meets user needs, and deliver technical expertise.
Everyone has a clear role, just like in a circus.
Correct. Clear roles ensure smooth execution. Prince2 may seem like magic, but it's all about discipline and structure. Plan well, execute carefully, and voila! A masterpiece.
Thank you, Mr. Sarfira. I feel ready to take on the great Prince2 Project Circus.
Remember, Khushboo, the real magic is in the details. Keep the end goal in sight.